Hi students. In the last class we have discussed ring homomorphisms and ring isomorphisms. Now we are going to discuss quotient ring. Let S be an ideal of a ring R. R is a ring, S is a ideal of a ring R. The set R by S. Here S is ideal, R is ring. R by S equals set of S plus A such that A is element of R. Forms a ring with respect to the operations addition and multiplication defined by S plus A plus S plus B equals S plus of A plus B. Don't write S plus S equals to X. You don't write that. Okay. S plus A plus S plus B is S plus A plus B. S plus A into S plus B is S plus A into B. Don't write S into S, S square plus S into B, SB. You don't write that. S plus A into S plus B equals S plus AB. This ring R by S is called quotient ring or residue class ring or factor ring. Quotient ring or factor ring or residue class ring. Theorem number 8. Let S be an ideal of a ring R, then the set R by S equals S plus A such that A belongs to R is a ring with respect to the addition and multiplication defined as S plus A plus S plus B equals S plus A plus B, and S plus A into S plus B equals S plus AB for every A comma B belongs to R. Here we have to show that R by S quotient ring or factor ring satisfies all the conditions of a ring. First one, by the definition of addition and multiplication R by S. By the definition of addition and multiplication, R by S is closed under addition and multiplication. Second, let S plus A, S plus B and S plus C are the elements of factoring R by S such that S plus A plus S plus B plus S plus B flower bracket equals S plus A plus S plus B flower bracket for these two plus S plus C. This is associative property. Here we have to prove. First take LHS. LHS is S plus A plus flower bracket S plus B plus S plus C. S plus A. This can be written as, by the definition of S plus A plus S plus B is S plus A plus B. Here this is S plus B plus C. Okay. Again use the definition. S plus A plus S plus B plus C is S plus A plus B plus C. That is S plus, put the bracket for first two terms, A plus B plus C. This can be written as S plus this term plus S plus C. S plus A plus B plus S plus C. This can be written as S plus A plus B. Can be written as S plus A plus S plus B. That is S plus A plus S plus B flower bracket plus S plus C. This is RHS. Therefore, associative law holds under addition. Third property, let S plus 0, additive identity, belongs to R by S, where 0 is element of R. Consider S plus A plus S plus 0. By the definition, this can be written as S plus A plus 0. A plus 0 is A, S plus A. S plus A plus S plus 0 equals S plus A. Here S plus 0 is the additive identity. Similarly, S plus 0 plus S plus A can be written as S plus A. Therefore, S plus 0 is the additive identity in R by S. Fourth one, for every S plus A belongs to R by S, there exists S plus of minus A belongs to R by S, such that take S plus A plus S plus of minus A. By the definition, this can be written as S plus A plus of minus A. Plus of minus A is minus A minus A is 0. This identity element. Therefore, similarly, S plus of minus A plus S plus A equals S plus 0. Therefore, S plus of minus A is additive inverse of S plus A. Inverse exists for all the elements of R by S. Next, commutative property under addition. Consider s plus a, s plus b belongs to R by S such that s plus a plus s plus b can be written as s plus a plus b. A plus b can be written as b plus a. This can be written as s plus b plus s plus a. S plus a plus s plus b equals s plus b plus s plus a. Commutative law holds under addition. Next, for every s plus a, s plus b, s plus c belongs to R by S such that s plus a into flower bracket s plus b into s plus c equals flower bracket s plus a into s plus b bracket complete s plus c. First take LHS. This is associative property under multiplication. LHS. S plus b into s plus c by the definition can be written as s plus bc. S plus a into s plus bc can be written as s plus a into bc. A into bc can be written as ab into c. This can be written as s plus ab into s plus c. S plus ab can be written as s plus a into s plus b into last term. This is RHS. Therefore, associative law holds under multiplication in R by S. Last one, distributive properties. Consider s plus a into flower bracket s plus b plus s plus c equals s plus a into s plus b plus s plus a into s plus c. Consider LHS. S plus a into s plus b into s plus c equals s plus a into, by the definition this can be written as s plus b plus c, that is equals s plus a into b plus c. A into b plus c can be written as ab plus ac, that is s plus ab plus s plus ac. S plus ab can be written as s plus a into s plus b plus s plus ac can be written as s plus a into s plus c. This is RHS. Therefore, distributive law holds. Hence, all the axioms of a ring are satisfied. Therefore, R by S is a ring.